Presenting you the best-in-class weighing indicator R30 series. A next-generation stainless steel weighing solution from RIO TECH Solutions. Completely built and manufactured in India. Weighing controller is designed for uncompromised performance in rugged industrial environments. It's built with a high-grade stainless steel enclosure, best suited for food, pharma and chemical manufacturing environment. The R30 is engineered to meet your protection standards and ensuring complete resistance to dust and moisture. It features a high-visibility 7-segment LED display with configurable brightness for optimal readability even in low-light conditions. R30 comes with 24-bit 2D internal converter, which offers high precision with a resolution of up to 1 lakh counts, and support multiple weighing modes like gross, net, hold, and peak. The R30 supports up to 8 load zones. It also includes standard serial communication like RS232 and RS485, Modbus RTU, along with analog output like for 220 mA and 0 to 10 volts, which can be used for seamless industrial integration. Comes along with selectable filter settings for vibration compensation, and flexible mounting options like tabletop, wall-mounted, or pole-mounted. It is suitable for a wide range of applications like checkweighing, bagging machines, platform scales, and tanks and hopper weighing systems. The R30 offers adaptability without any compromise to quality. R30 is backed by RIO TECH Solutions, which carries a legacy of quality, globally trusted ecosystem in industrial weighing and automation. Please connect with our partners world over for more information, or to order your R30.